Hello, and welcome to Collision Repair's Industry Insider Podcast. I'm Sam Haupt, your reporter for this week. If there's been one trend of note in this year's selection of products targeting collision industry businesses, it's simplification. It's a trend that has its philosophical roots dating back to the mid-2000s, when developers of business-focused suites began to drive for cross-platform and cross-program integration. Today, however, we are seeing a very 21st century design mindset being put onto products that had remained essentially unchanged throughout most of the 20th century. Take, for example, the latest formulation of Bondo from 3M. While it might be hard to imagine a significant change to a putty that's been used in essentially the same way for 7 decades, it has. The latest, the Bondo Professional Gold Body Filler, is designed to adhere to galvanized and E-coated surfaces, as well as it always has with fiberglass, wood, and steel. Even sanding discs are getting a makeover thanks to some high-tech advances. So how do you make working with sanders even easier than it already is? Well, there are a few approaches, but Fenixa's Sharp White Disc System, which was unveiled at SEMA, is a great example. Fenixa aims to help shops cut down on labor hours by reducing the amount of time they spend swapping out discs. The grains themselves are made out of ceramic alum compound, which is essentially self-sharpening. It isn't just the lifespan of the disc that is lengthened here, it's the overall performance, making work more consistent and predictable. Of course, this new high-tech design motif is creating a bit of a feedback loop. The designers of business-focused softwares are rushing in to fill a void left by competitors, to provide even more precise inventory management information. Just look at Color Compass's Cube system, which analyzes inventory depletion rates and calculating delivery frequency in order to keep shops fully stocked. It even has an official augmentation that allows the system to fully interface with color software and paint supplies, tracking them down to the gram. That's not to say that there isn't a place for designs with a brilliant and obvious elegance still. In fact, while many manufacturers have been cramming in high-tech solutions, one company went about as far back to the basics as it possibly could go. Gunny Wheel literally reinvented the wheel with a tire-mounted, rubber-coated system that lets vehicles be driven within facilities, even if the wheels have been removed. For more product trends like these that we've spotted here at Collision Repair, check out our upcoming 2020 Buyer's Guide, set to release later this month. I'm Sam Haupt, and this was Industry Insider.